Crabs live in oceans, freshwater, and some species even live on land. Despite their reputation, great white sharks rarely attack humans, often taking a sample bite out of curiosity. Whales live in oceans and seas all over the world. Some species can be found in rivers. Lions use teamwork to catch large animals like zebras and wildebeests. Female lions do most of the hunting for the pride. Clownfish. Clownfish are born male and can change to female later in life to become the dominant mate. Koalas communicate with loud bellows that males use to attract mates and establish dominance. Starfish have tough, spiny skin made of calcium carbonate that acts as armor against predators. Some hermit crab species can live from 12 to 70 years, especially land hermit crabs like the coconut crab. Wood frogs can freeze up to 65% of their body in winter and survive the thaw in spring. Sea lions are opportunistic feeders, consuming fish, squid, and sometimes stealing from fishing gear. Ducks have a specialized blood vessel network called rete mirabile that keeps their feet warm without losing body heat. During spawning, blue tangs change coloration and perform a quick upward rush toward the water surface to release eggs and sperm. Squids can solve problems, navigate mazes, and display intelligence comparable to some vertebrates. Penguins communicate using unique vocalizations, which help parents and chicks recognize each other. Baby ducks are covered in soft down feathers, not actual feathers at birth. Their average lifespan ranges from 10 to 15 years, depending on breed and care. The common cooked lobster turns red due to proteins breaking down from heat exposure. Llamas are domesticated South American camelids used as pack animals for thousands of years. Seahorses use their tails to help them hold on to objects. This makes eating food easier and prevents them from being pushed around by the current. Sawfish use their saw to slash prey in the water or pin them to the seabed before eating. Sperm whales have the largest brain of any animal, up to 17 pounds. Spider crabs are scavengers, feeding on dead animals and plant matter. Some species can grow very large, with leg spans over 3 meters. Baby pufferfish can be cannibalistic, biting siblings rather than swallowing whole due to their small mouths. Crocodiles have one of the strongest bite forces in the animal kingdom, capable of exerting up to 5,000 pounds per square inch. Panda cubs are born tiny, about the size of a stick of butter, and depend entirely on their mothers for the first months. Chimeras are deep-sea fish related to sharks, but look very strange with big eyes and long tails. Both male and female walruses have large tusks that can grow up to 1 meter long. Stingrays are generally gentle, but are the leading cause of fish-related injuries in humans due to accidental stings. Parrots are one of the few animals capable of mimicking human speech.